so welcome back to the channel. Okay, so tonight on the menu, y'all, we got some lamb choppers. We're gonna do about 3 packs of those. I'm also gonna get my daughter ready for school, so I kind of got some chicken thighs right here. I don't want to put them all the way out the sink because the water is dripping from them. We also gonna do us a fresh house salad. We also got some purple yams. These are the purple yams. And then I picked up 2 purple sweet potatoes because I did not think that these were gonna be enough for everybody to get some. And I don't know why, y'all. These still don't look like enough. But we gonna see. But we're gonna probably mash these up. So let's get right into this dinner. Your girl is about to be on the grill today. Okay, I am getting on the grill. My husband is getting it cleaned up for me. I was hoping he ain't out there on the cleaning up the smoker. I can't cook on that. We're gonna wash them off and do it outside. And cutting that funky too.
They need to be marinated now.
Yeah, that's what I'm. Yeah, so we need to cut them.
Come on, you know what you're doing.
No, hold on.
It's supposed to have been cut and in the juice.
I can't cut them without you. That's what.
M&A. You gotta get air out there. Get that smoke in.
Oh my God. Prime steak with black garlic and truffle.
Oh, you going right in. No discrimination.
I mean, who want to be shaking all day? Let me see.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Right there, wrist a little bit.
Don't be messy. Not too salty. They hold flavor.
Definitely hold good flavor. That's good though. But you gonna have a lot in the tray, so you can just get some of that up. Yeah.
How you be doing?
There you go. That's it. That's it.
Make sure that one seasoned. That's it. My job today.
Oh. I ain't finished.
Stop that.
That's good. That's good.
Oh, you said something? Okay.
Yeah, I did. You gonna have nothing with those. Trying to get all the hair out of there as much as possible. I can use it. Play with it.
Finish that up for me.
Right, you got to relax, baby.
Alright, you drop it?
You gotta put it in the grooves. You see those right there?
Well, where the hooks at?
They're right there.
Hot. boneless chicken thighs with my husband's special seasoning. Y'all let them know to go ahead and get that in the stoves for y'all. Skin side down? Ain't no skin.
It don't matter.
Ain't no skin.
Hear that sizzle.
Should I leave some room for my lamb chops?
Nah.
Don't put none right there?
No, you can put some in there. That's why I got it like that.
We need some with a little burn, little crust on it. Water in my face. I feel very disrespected. Not gonna lie.
What's it looking like? How you doing this now?
Finally get my lamb chops on here. The start of the show. The moment we all been waiting for.
The woman we all been waiting for, or just you? What them is, the big ones? Them the big ones?
Yeah, for sure.
Let me show you. I'm gonna start just like this right here. I would, for the big ones, I would go like this.
All right, back side down, legs up in the air.
Yep.
Oh, that's the big one right there. You know who that's for.
Your boy.
Your girl.
You just grabbing them like that, huh?
I mean, we break it out.
Let's see.
You see that? Some vanilla paste. Ooh, we nice. Brown sugar. I'm not gonna add too much because it's actually already sweet. So, just a little bit. Nutmeg. And a whole lot of cinnamon. I'm gonna get a little bit of milk so we can kind of thin this out a little. Need this to be creamy. Yeah, mashed. Whip this thing again. Make sure we got the perfect mash to it. I'm gonna sit this in the oven maybe for about 10 to 15 minutes, if that. I just want it to get warm, a little hot. And this will be good as like your normal like sweet potato souffle. If you add like a little brown sugar crust on it, put you some nuts on top, but I'm not doing all that. But I am gonna, when I make my husband food, I am gonna put some, I think I got some chopped pecans. Put some chopped pecans on top of his. Call it a day. Okay, we all got our night. Let's put this in the oven. For tonight. So we got our house salad with some eggs, some onions, some tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, with some balsamic vinegar and some oil. And for the baby girl, she don't really care about the cucumbers, but she does love the croutons. So I'm gonna make sure to give her a good bit of that. Some tomatoes on top of my husband's. I got some extra cucumbers for him. A little extra cheese for him to go on top. Just give her one slice, one piece, whatever you want to call it. Mashed purple sweet potatoes. And just put that in this hot. And give her a little bit. Y'all, I'm trying her out on these sweet potatoes. Don't know how she's gonna like them. I know she do like, she's had purple sweet potatoes before, but it's just like purple sweet potatoes mixed with yams. My husband, he's gonna be having some lamb chops. with a little chart on it. Get the one with a little bit more juice on it. For his sweet potatoes, I'm just gonna add a little bit of some chopped pecans on top. Ranch. For the drinks tonight, my husband's gonna be having some cucumber water. With a little lemon. So I like a lemon cucumber. Put a cucumber on top. For baby girl, we're just gonna give her an orange. And that is their dinner for tonight.